another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This is for the April box, so we're gonna go ahead and dive right in. So, what do we got here? Another ad for add-ons. Don't need that. And then our little mini magazine. The cover looks like that. Spring to Mind. What do pink tulips and pink highlighter have in common? Both are as joyful as they are colorful, and we can all use a springy pick-me-up now more than ever. The products in your April box are as fresh and light as the season, including a delicate facial oil, a watermelon-scented radiant primer, and the coolest nail art stickers from a buzzy brand called Scratch. It's a perfect selection of products for brightening up mornings and moods, and hey, I'd take a new highlighter any day. Okay, so the first product in here, I believe this is full-sized, is the OC Essential Hydrating Oil. This is $68 for this. My goodness. So you're saying facial oils don't have to feel oily? OC's has made me rethink the entire category. Why, you'll love it. One pump is proof that facial oils can soothe and moisturize skin without feeling oily or greasy. OC's hydrating, calming blend of 8 oils, including moisturizing jojoba seed and soothing geranium, leaves skin soft and supple. How you'll use it: press the fast-absorbing formula into your skin and smooth any extra oil over your lips to seal the deal. Okay, that doesn't sound too terrible. Next, we've got from Elta MD, the UV Sheer Broad Spectrum SPF 50. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is not full size, but it's pretty close to it. Full size is $30. In the many years I've worked at Allure, I've heard dermatologists recommend Elta MD sunscreen time and time again. Why, you'll love it. Sunscreen is an everyday skincare staple, and Elta MD is the one that you're most likely to find in a dermatologist's skincare stash and beach bag. It offers serious sun protection with a blend of mineral and chemical sunscreens without looking, feeling, or smelling sunscreeny. It's fortified with skin-brightening antioxidant vitamin C and moisturizing hyaluronic acid. How you'll use it: smooth it on as the last step in your skincare routine. The fragrance-free, oil-free, and non-comedogenic, I swear I can say the word, formula is great for all skin types. Reapply every 2 hours or after 80 minutes of swimming or exercising. So good to have another sunscreen, especially because now it's summer, so. Okay, then we've got from St. Lux, Rose Gold Liquid Glow. I think this might be full size. Yeah, and this is $24 for this little bitty thing. Itty bitty little bitty thing, but it's very, very effective, probably. Try wearing it under foundation or tinted moisturizer for a lit from within glow. Why, you'll love it. The shimmering rose gold shade is light and springy, and it also happens to be the fastest route to a soft, pretty glow this season. The fact that it's a liquid highlighter means it's easy to blend and looks all the more natural. The doe foot applicator makes highlighting a cinch, and the shimmering flecks inside are so small that it looks super subtle on skin. How you'll use it: swipe the highlighter onto cheekbones using the doe foot applicator and then blend out the product by tapping it in with a clean finger. You can pair this with any makeup look or let it be the star. Dab the highlighter onto the center of your eyelids, add mascara, a pinky gloss, and you've got an easy monochromatic look that's fresh, glowy, and perfect for this season. Okay, so I'm going to put that here because I want to try that sometime soon. From a brand called Uve, this is their Violet Antimicrobial Blender. This is $20 for this little blender, and I don't understand why. You'll love it. What sets this little egg-shaped blender apart from all the other makeup blenders out there is its velvety soft feel. The dome tip is perfect for using around the contours of your face, like on the sides of your nose, while the rounded base is ideal for your cheeks. How you'll use it: dampen the sponge and bounce it over your entire base layer of makeup for a seamless finish. A makeup artist trick for making foundation and concealer become one with the skin, so it's less likely to crease throughout the day. So you're literally just telling me the texture is the reason it's $20. Tickle. Okay, then we've got, ooh, I think this is full size. It's $22. The Beauty Crop Melon Jelly Dewy Primer XXL. That looks so pretty. Why, you'll love it. If you've shied away from primers in the past, and who could blame you, they can be so matte and heavy or sticky, this radiance-boosting gel will have you rethinking the category. It is light and elegant, so it almost feels like you're not wearing anything at all, except that it makes skin soft and smooth, creating the perfect canvas for long-lasting makeup. The understated watermelon scent is a refreshing plus. How you'll use it: squirt a pea-sized dollop onto a clean fingertip for every area you'd like to cover. T-zone, cheeks, chin. You can wear it over moisturizer and sunscreen. It's light enough to layer well, and under foundation, concealer, or tinted moisturizer. Sounds like good stuff. And then we've got a sample size of Amica Perk Up Dry Shampoo. Use this days after a blowout, and just like that, you've got another day of great voluminous hair. Full size is $26. This is not full size. Well, you'll love it. Spend less time washing and styling your hair and more time enjoying the warmer weather. This dry shampoo lives up to its name by adding oomph back to volumeless bedhead, as it quickly absorbs oil with rice starch in the process. The vanilla citrus scent is warm and clean all at once. So pretty. How you'll use it: lift up sections of hair, blast a spritz or two right at the roots, then brush or finger comb through after about 30 seconds of allowing it to work its magic. So, like you use any dry shampoo. And then we have the Scratch nail wraps, and I do have to admit those are really pretty, but nail wraps never seem to fit my fingers quite right. And my nails are never long enough to feel like it justifies it. Anyway, so retail set $18 each month for a new monthly mani kit. Oh, it's like a subscription? Oh, fuck that. You can have intricate, beautiful nail art in minutes. Why, you'll love it. You don't have to have an in with a famous nail artist to get jaw-droppingly cool nail art. Scratch releases new nail art stickers monthly, and the designs are always gorgeous and trendy. Patterns like monochrome have a clear base so you can apply them over your favorite polish or alone to get a cool negative space effect. The wraps are made from super thin, super flexible material, which makes them quick and simple to apply. How you'll use it: Scratch's nail stickers are as easy to wield as actual stickers and a whole lot cooler looking. Pop them onto clean nails or over a thoroughly dry manicure, pressing down the sides for smoothness. File away the excess using light downward strokes. And it even comes with like a little emery board and a stick in there, which is always nice. But yeah. And then we have more ads for the member store. And more ads. Deadass, this is the same thing that was on the other paper that was in there. Why did we need two of that? They're like really pushing the members only store, I swear. But yeah, that seems to be all that is in the April box, but there's mostly good stuff in there. So anyways, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.